Good evening. My name is Tatiana Juliet Pin. This is my document. Look in, please. Excuse me. Look. Well, of the seven wonders of the modern world. By me, the wonder of the modern world is the Great Wall of the China. It is natural or man-made. It is by man-made. Most of the restored sections of the Great Wall that we see today were built with bricks and cut stone blocks, slab, where bricks and blocks were not available, ramen, earth, uncut stones, wood, and even rushes were used as local materials. This is wall is beautiful because it is the longest piece of the architecture in the world, extending from the edge of the China to the desert of the Western China. Also, the wall is too large. It's divided into 4 parts. I was walking by 4 hours with my son. It is the most famous and best preserved. It is a vessel to wear appropriate shoes and read extra weather. I feel very happy because very pretty is the place most visited by tourists in the photo I wearing. I black t-shirts with skirts and hat. This is a postal. My postal. I send you my mother. This is my son Samuel and me. We are happy. This is place because more important by cultura de China. Of China, excuse me. I finally want to invite you to visit this beautiful landscape. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Thank you.